हेलो गाइस। तो तुम लोग सोच रहे होगे वेयर एम आई गोइंग ऑल डेक्ड अप। आई एम नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर। रात के 11:30 हो गए, बट लाइक ऑलवेज मैं रात को ही शूट करती हूँ। एंड अगर मैं तुम्हें अपने कमरे की हालत दिखाऊँ, इफ़ यू गाइस कैन सी पीछे थोड़ा, बट वाई एम आई लाइक दिस राइट नाउ, क्योंकि मैं अपना 360 डिग्री वैल्यूएशन कर रही हूँ अपनी वार्डरोब का। मेरे को भी ना इतना अच्छा नहीं मिलता है। आई वाज सपोज टू डू इंडियन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट का चैप्टर नंबर 3, बट इफ़ आई डिसाइडेड वार्डरोब रीवैल्यूएशन देन वार्डरोब रीवैल्यूएशन इट इज़। सो फिर से दिखा देती हूँ एक बार। एनीवेज, दिस इज़ माई वार्डरोब। This background looks good, so I'm going to talk here. 1 second. Yeah. Let us talk about body image and self-concept. So let me share something. When I was in 9th grade, like that was my rock bottom zindagi ka. 9th, 10th, and actually all of the years ever since we hit puberty, everyone knows कि puberty में बहुत ज़्यादा changes आते हैं. So earlier, when I was a kid and I hadn't hit puberty, I used to have a very slim body, and I was very athletic since childhood only. I have been involved in sports. Right now, I'm a state level table tennis player. I have played till states, but now I've left it. So like since the beginning I was very much into sports. I had a very slim body, and you know it's like मैं कितना भी खा लेती थी. I was one of those people कि मेरा weight gain नहीं होता था, and ever since childhood like I've just loved chocolates, everything. I've had a sweet tooth, अभी भी है. पहले तो out of control था, ठीक है. Now why I'm telling you all of this? So like I said, I had been struggling with a lot of body image issues, and अभी honestly it has gotten much better. But you know, हम सबकी लाइफ में एक पॉइंट आता है where we all feel like a bit insecure. But I'll just get a chair. So as I was saying कि you know, no matter how secure you are, कभी ना कभी एक पॉइंट आता है where we all feel insecure. So recently I had gone for an inter-school competition, and the top schools of India were there. Our team was also there, and you know how आजकल या बहुत टाइम से ही a certain body type has been going on, and a lot of high school girls, if you look at them, they all look like supermodels, like you know, super slim, tall, lean. Like that's the norm nowadays. Like हर एज का like एक टाइम पीरियड का अपना बॉडी टाइप होता है कि what is in, what is trending, and what is expected from a man or a woman. And like तुम लोगों ने I think देखा होगा वो एक जो बहुत famous meme भी है, meme? No, not a meme, like a body positivity like an image was going viral कि Marilyn Monroe जो इतनी वो मानी जाती हैं like one of the greatest and most good looking women of all times, उनका if she could have body roles then why can't you, right? In fact I'm sitting right now, I am also having body roles, and yeah, I usually do cover it up with a cushion, but honestly right now I have kept it because I just मेरी आदत है कि मैं ऐसे हाथ में कुशन लेके बैठूँ. It feels good, but yeah, like it will I think not look very good if I'm talking about body positivity at the same time covering up my tummy. But yeah, apart from that, like right now, I mean we all have seen body positivity quotes and shit, but right now I want to talk about the practical side for a minute. Like we have all gone through that, right? Body positivity quotes, motivation and everything. Let's talk about the practical side. अभी उसको छोड़ते हैं 2 मिनट के लिए. That is of course very important. First of all, let me tell you guys, you all have immense potential. Like अगर मैं तुम्हें फ़ोटो दिखाऊंगी अपनी पुरानी, मतलब ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. You all have immense potential to look good. You just need to, figure out your style. Ki what kind of clothes look good on you. First of all, body type. I cannot stress on this enough. अगर तुम किसी भी दो लोगों को उठा लो, their body types can be like so different. Look at the Bollywood and Hollywood actors and actresses. Like some of them will never even wear one particular kind of clothing because simply it doesn't fit their body, it doesn't enhance their body, and rather it makes them look bad. So it is very, very important to get to know yourself, get to know about your body, what is your style, what do you feel confident in. Number two, please ditch the trends. You don't have to run after what is trending. अभी Pinterest में क्या चल रहा है? Take inspiration from there, sure. If you want to try it out, sure. But don't be disheartened if it's not looking good on you. It doesn't mean your body is lagging. It simply means that type of clothing is not made for you. Yours is something else. It's completely different, something much better. So you have to go and find that. You have to invest the time. Okay? Take the time, like try and play with different hairstyles, different makeup, different jewelry, and figure out what you really like. Okay? For me personally, I am a broad-shouldered girly. A lot of you may relate, a lot of you may not relate, I'm not sure. Like I said, I've always been into sports and everything, and जो jeans भी मैंने inherit करे, like my dad is pretty athletic, so that's why. So, and I've always been pretty secure about this. Overall, right now, I'm a very secure person. But I've also, since childhood, been pretty secure about my broad shoulders. अभी शायद नहीं इतना clearly दिख रहा होगा because I'm wearing black. But I think usually it's visible in school uniform and everything. And like of course I was not exactly pleased, but मेरे कुछ guy friends या फिर other people, they would just casually make a comment. Like I remember one boy saying to another boy that यार तेरे से ज़्यादा मर्दानी तो अनुष्का है. Like look at her shoulders, जो एक strong musculature लड़कों के साथ associate किया जाता है. And like I said, I've never really felt insecure about that. Those comments also didn't impact me. But what kind of did is again, all of those Pinteresty cute clothes, crop tops and everything. And I've got many crop tops decked inside my closet, like 4 or 5. But honestly, it looks good. But when I wear it, it does not look good on me. And it was severely impacting my body image because I look at other girls and they look so cute, they look so fab, beautiful. First of all, I find all the girls amazing, beautiful. But it kind of made me feel bad about myself that those clothes were not going well on me. So yeah, what I want to say is ditch the trends. Right now what I'm doing is I don't care मेरे को कितने कपड़े निकालने पड़े. I'm going to remove all the clothes which don't look good on me. I'm only concerned with two things. Does this thing look good on me? Like, does it fit my body? Does it fit my body type? My vibe? Number two, how do I feel wearing it? अगर कुछ मेरे पे अच्छा भी लग रहा है, 10 लोगों को मेरे पे अच्छा लग रहा है, but I'm not feeling good about it. Whereas this, शायद तुम उस साइड से देख रहे हो स्क्रीन के नहीं अच्छा लग रहा हो. I'm liking it. I was just experimenting with clothes, with heels, with everything. I'm liking it. I'm feeling like an 11 on 10 actually right now. So yeah, and clothes actually really, really, really do impact your confidence, the way you carry yourself. Like if I wear one of those crop tops, man, it feels like I have to shrink myself. And this has happened to me a lot of times. Like in those crop tops, I'm always trying to stick my tummy in. या फिर थोड़ा नीचे खींच लो, tummy ना visible हो, दिखे ना. So it's always like that. But yeah, just figure out your own style. Please invest in yourself, time, money, efforts, everything. Get to know yourself, get to know your style, get to know your body type, do a color analysis, okay? Do a beauty analysis on what kind of makeup looks good on you. Experiment. Take a day off, just experiment with different kinds of makeup, different kinds of clothes. If there are 1, 2 or 3 pieces in your wardrobe which you really, really like, try to figure out a pattern. What is it that I like? Does a color, for example, orange, does it make me feel like myself? Does it make me feel really good? just figure it out, whatever it is. Is it halter tops? Is it this? Is it that? And being secure is a different thing. At the same time, choosing what you want to emphasize on in your dressing is a different thing. Like, it's not like कि तुम कुछ छुपा रहे हो अपनी body का कोई part, but it is like, you know, I sat down with ChatGPT and I was like, bro, I have broad shoulders and shit, so what kind of tops are going to look good on me? So उसने मेरे को ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें पता है. So it's not like I'm necessarily trying to hide, but of course I would want to enhance myself. जैसे होता है ना कि you don't wear makeup because you feel ugly, या फिर I mean सबके अलग अलग reasons हो सकते हैं, but mostly you wear it to enhance your beauty. So to enhance your body, to enhance your style, the way you come across, and most important, to make yourself feel good. Were the few things I wanted to share. And also lastly, please remember that clothes are meant to fit you. You are not meant to fit clothes. Literally, मतलब it's a piece of fabric, bro. At the end of the day, you are a whole amazing being. You are a whole fully functioning human being with different organs, with a mind of your own, मतलब different thoughts, different behavior. Like, oh my god, imagine. Okay, let me explain with an example. Suppose you have got a vessel, a tumbler, a glass vessel, ठीक है, like pot समझ लो, vase समझ लो, something like that, and you have to fit water into it, ठीक है. Now tell me something, if there's a short vase and पानी तुम्हारे पास इतना ज़्यादा है, क्या तुम पानी कम करोगे या फिर तुम स्क्रैच से एक वास बनाओगे या खरीद के लाओगे? You will be like, duh, of course I'm going to, you know, reduce the quantity of water. Bro, exactly. Why are we running after trends? Like, those things go to hell. Okay, just focus on yourself, what makes you feel good, and please keep affirming that your body is a temple, literally. So treat it like one, okay? Please focus on what you're consuming. I know it is easier said than done. I honestly, like personally, I'm struggling with this a lot right now. I have been struggling with this a lot. I'm still working on it. Let's work on this together. But that will be a whole entire topic. मैं बोलूँगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी लंबी ये वीडियो. So let's just stick to today's topic. So yeah, please don't, you know, just get clothes and wait for it कि मैं अपना weight loss करूँगी फिर मैं ये पहनूँगी. Because I mean, it's good that you want to exercise, you want to improve, but one more quote which I would want to throw at you is exercise because you love your body, not because you hate it. Please don't run after a particular body type, you know, a particular type of waist, type of look. Like, bro, we are all so different, okay? And it is such a disrespect to nature if we are all just running after one thing. I mean, this is how society, you know, wants to. अभी शायद तुम्हें ये sense ना बनाए, but this is how society wants to keep you under control, make you feel bad about yourself. I haven't even seen you, but I bet you are such a beautiful human being, both inside and out. Okay, but you know, these certain trends, body types, and everything. Don't pay attention to that. Focus on yourself. Focus on the body God has given you. Okay, just love it. And मेरे साथ भी है, I'm going to remove those crop tops. Like I had 3 or 4 tops. I'll just show it to you one second. I got 3 crop tops, and these are not like very fancy ones. These are quite basic ones. But you know, मेरे को भी बहुत craze चला था that all the girls are wearing crop tops. I need to have a crop top. And my parents are like quite restrictive, very strict. So I was not really allowed to wear crop tops, and abhi bhi they're very restrictive about a lot of things, one of them being clothing. Like they really want me to dress modestly. बहुत rebel करके मैंने यहाँ तक लाई मैं सेल्फ. So I'll just show you. I don't know तुमको कैसे लगती, but these, you know, like I've seen girls with these like super slim waists and fitted crop tops and everything, and they look so damn gorgeous. Okay, so I was like, bro, मेरे को पहनना है. And now let me tell you something. तुम लोगों को ये देख के लग रहा होगा कि oh these look amazing, या फिर शायद नहीं लग रहा होगा, but वैसे these look good. But the thing is, when I wear it, these do not look good on me. because these are not made for my body type. Meanwhile, कुछ other tops are there which look so good on me, which might not look good on those other girls who are wearing these tops, and it's completely fine because we are all different at the end of the day. So yeah, and also when you're going shopping or anything, now I'm like so selective about my clothes. All of these my mom had gotten me, but like now I'm so selective about my clothes. एक तो my parents just used to get me clothes, and since I'm the youngest in the family, मेरे पास अपने पापा के, अपनी मम्मी के, अपने भाई के सबके कपड़े मैं ही पहनती थी. So it was like that. So 7th 8th grade में भी, या फिर 9th तक भी actually, when क्या बात करें, मैं 11th में मैंने खुद के ऐसे कपड़े पहनना शुरू किया. 10th तक तो all of the girls were in these very fancy, pretty looking dresses and bodycon dresses, and I was wearing shorts and an oversized tee of my brother. Like literally, I used to look like a schoolboy in that dressing style. So exactly, bro, level up. You're gaining fashion, style and everything. And अगर तुम बोलोगे कि यार तुम्हारे पास पैसा है, आसान है बोला, bro, trust me, there are so many affordable clothing options. You just need to put in the time, do the research. Literally, मतलब affordability, accessibility, just put in the time, you will find everything. There are so many online stores which are selling so much for cheap. But now Sarojini Lounge पर चले जाना यार. These tops, these are from Sarojini. I think this one. Yeah, this one I think. And if you are someone जिसपे ये tops इतने बढ़िया लगता है, तुम्हारी body type को suit करते हैं. But also yeah, one demerit, even these shops, these are like very rigidly structured for a particular body type, like extremely slim ones. So yeah, you'll have to figure it out, but please spend the time, make yourself look good, feel confident, because this is your life, you are the main character. It's your birthright to feel good every day, and your clothes are going to greatly impact that. Also, one more tip, please do not just go to shopping and buy things for the sake of it. Like, I am very selective about what I'm buying. I go in with, like, I already have a few things in mind कि मेरे को ये पसंद है, until now I figured out कि what looks good on me, what doesn't. I see कि if it's suiting my body type, and I always try out clothes because something may look so good. Please, this is my tip, do not buy clothes just on the basis of how they are looking. Wear them, see how it's looking on you. It will look absolutely amazing on the outside, but if you wear it absolute trash, and not saying that you are trash, don't get me wrong, I'm saying it's just not made for you, okay? Something else is, which is going to look 1,000 times better than you. On the other hand, something may look absolute trash from distance, but if you wear it, you're going to look like an absolute goddess or god, whoever is watching, okay? And so yeah, that's what I do. I have a specific type in mind. I always try my clothes out. I take my time. I spend 1 or 2 hours like सिर्फ अच्छे से, you know. So please, एक तो खबर में shopping मत करो. And yeah, you have the potential, just own it. Bye guys.